Hey guys, Eda here, and this is a review of the, I guess, Marvel Superheroes Thanos figure. I don't think it's from a specific line, just a basic Marvel figure. But yeah, this is also my first and only Thanos figure. Like, I'd love to pick up one of the Marvel Legends ones, but I missed out on those. Who knows if Hasbro will re-release any of those. And I was going to say in my Vulture review that I wish that Hasbro would put out more No Way Home figures, which they're doing for Marvel Legends. But for the baseline, though, I'd like to see characters like Green Goblin and Sandman be made into figures. Because the only Goblin I have now is Hobgoblin from the 90s. But yeah, painting and sculpting here, it's pretty good, apart from the back, which is all gold, which that shouldn't be the case. Like, they just got lazy with the painting. Yeah, nice facial detail, though. He's got his old prune chin. And this thing has barely any articulation. And yeah, of course it's from Hasbro. Anyway, articulation, the head can rotate a full 360. He can't look up much or look down a lot. And the arms can do a full 360, and that's it. So, here he is with 2003 Hulk, Mega Blaziken, Hobgoblin, and Venom. And that's it for the Thanos figure. Hope you enjoyed the review. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I have a Discord, you can check that out. And I have other channels you can look at and social medias you can follow. This has been Zeta, and hope you have a great rest of the day.